Hi, everybody. Now, we're just going to do completing this square. So I'm going to show you an example of what completing this square is all about. I'm going to take this quadratic. Let me just make sure you can see it all okay quite clearly. Yeah. X squared plus 6x plus 5. Now, there's my quadratic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this term here, the x term, and I'm going to divide by 2. And that gets me a 3. Why do I want a 3? Because if I write x plus 3 and I square that, I'm going to get the x squared plus 6x plus 9. So I've actually got two parts of what I'm actually got in the original expression. Except the trouble is, this 9 has come out of it, and this 9 is extra. So now I'm going to write this x squared plus 6x plus 5. That would be x plus 3, which is all squared. And then I'm going to take the 9 away because it shouldn't be there. It's come out of the squaring everything. And I also have this plus 5. So that's going to give me x plus 3 squared minus 4. And that's completed the square. I'll just write that on there. That's completed the square. Well, what use would that be? Basically, let's say I wanted to solve this. Now, the point is, I've got rid of the middle term here. I've got rid of the x. Where am I? I've got rid of the 6x. So I can want to find the roots. Okay, so I want to find the roots. So I'll write down x plus 3 squared minus 4 equals 0. And that would mean that x plus 3 squared would be 4. I can take the square root. And x plus 3 would be the square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. That's cool. And then I can say, well, that would mean that x will be minus 3, bring it across equal sign, plus or minus 2. And there's my roots. Okay. Now, you can also consider this. Just a little note here at the bottom. Okay. Just get the camera fixed right. Sorry, everybody. A little note at the bottom, because you see, we have a minimum. Where is it? Well, if I take x plus 3 squared minus 4, that's a square number. So that part here is going to be 0 when x equals minus 3. So that's 0 when x equals minus 3. So therefore, we're not adding in anything extra to the minus 4. So I could say there's a minimum. Okay. I could say there's a minimum at x is minus 3 and y would be minus 4 in that case. Yeah. All done. That's completing the square. Now, let me just say hi to everybody. So I'll change the camera now to this one. And there we are. I've now done completing the square, and you can look at this video as many times as you like. I've just recorded it. Thank you very much for listening. And I'll stop the video, end the meeting. There we go. Goodbye.